I'll tell you why I got a little distracted here was I had a couple former Amway Diamonds contact me about the conversion pros. These guys are two of the biggest names. I mean, they made more money than most people will ever see in the industry. I mean, you talk about, it's so funny because you see all these internet marketers talking about making money. They don't make money like these guys. These are the guys that go out and buy three $750,000 Provost buses. One of the guys just bought a 16-year-old, the brand new Corvette, and showed me his brand new Lamborghini he bought the same week. And they went on to start, another company, and so some of them started their own MLMs. I mean, these guys just crazy money. Well, anyway, they contacted me, and they love TCP. They've actually had me on now 5 or 6 webinars with their team. They're bringing in hundreds and hundreds of people a day into the conversion pros, and they're literally unleashing it to their team, and their downlines have like over 100,000 people. And so we built them a custom funnel. We did a custom movie. We did custom landing pages. And they literally call me all the time. How do you do this? How do you do that? Can you jump on a webinar right now? And I've been on webinars with these guys like every day, multiple times a day. We're building out all kinds of stuff for them. And it just goes to show you, when you have some of the biggest multi-million-dollar earners, I mean, these guys crush almost everybody you ever see online and have for like 30 years. I mean, long time. Some of you didn't even know what internet marketing was when these guys were filling room.
We'll train you. We'll give you lots of helpful videos to show you the way. The tools, the training. We're here for you. We'll get you started in your internet business better, with more experts, with the training systems that you really need. From now, you'll get this amazing free contact manager mobile app. It works for me, it'll work for you. Can you afford free? Welcome to the right place at the right time. I love the laptop lifestyle. You can get started now for free. You'll get free tools like this. You'll get free access by clicking just below this video in the text area. I'm Jeff Dodd, and it's 100% about you, helping you.